In this tutorial video on Infinite Campus Parent Portal, we're going to be going over the Fees tab. To get there, you want to go over to the left-hand side and click on Fees. On the screen, you have a couple drop-down menus. You can select which child that you would like to see by clicking here. You can also cycle through the school years. And then you can also decide on if you want to see paid fees, unpaid fees, or all fees. So if I were to select on all fees, you'll see that I have registration fees, technology fees, and then 2 activity or sports fees. The due dates on these are listed here in the middle. The fee balance is listed over here on the right-hand side. And then which student it is selected in this column. So I want to go to unpaid fees, and you'll see that my child has an activity or sports fee. It is $85 as well. To pay for that, I can go up here to the top, and there is a link. Please pay your school fees through Revtrack and select food and fees. So I click on this screen. It will take me to the Revtrack where I will need to log in. And I want to select Make a Payment. When I get to this page inside Revtrack, I will see a listing of required fees. As you can see, I have an activity or sports fee that needs to be paid. I will want to add to cart. And then I need to check out. And at this point, information has been saved for my payment method. All I need to do is select that I'm not a robot and I want to place the order. I'll get a message that my order has been placed and a receipt will be sent to my email address.